Hey everyone! Want to get views on your Telegram channel, but don't want to add any bot to it? Well, we've got you covered. Telesmm brings you a super cool feature called Without Bot Views. Let's check out what that means and how to use it. What is Without Bot Views? It's simple. A single agent joins your channel and automatically sends views whenever you post. No bot needed, no admin rights required. 100% safe and clean. How to set it up step by step. 1. Open Telegram and search for @Telesmm Services Bot. 2. Click Start to begin. 3. Tap on Auto Services. 4. Then click Auto Views. 5. Now, select Without Bot Views. 6. Tap Add Channel. 7. Send your channel link. 8. Enter the number of views you want per post. 9. Choose your mode. Done! Your channel is now active with automatic views. Want to stop? Just tap Remove Channel anytime. Outro, call to action. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Telegram tools and hacks. See you in the next video.